Every day, people face choices that test their values, beliefs, and sense of right and wrong. Ethical decision-making means choosing actions that are morally good, responsible, and fair, even when it's not the easiest path. The first step in making an ethical decision is recognizing that there is a problem. This happens when a situation involves conflict between right and wrong, or between different values. For example, should you tell the truth if it might hurt someone, or stay silent to avoid conflict? Next, gather all the facts. A decision based on assumptions can lead to poor outcomes. Understanding the full situation helps identify who will be affected and what the possible consequences might be. Then, consider the options. List all the possible choices you can make. Think about the short-term and long-term effects of each. Ask yourself who benefits from this choice, who might be harmed. Now, apply ethical principles. Some common ones include honesty, fairness, respect, and responsibility. Try to choose the option that best follows these values. A good ethical decision often respects the rights of others, promotes fairness, and does not rely on deception. After that, make your decision and take action. Choose the path that feels most right and stick to it. Ethical decisions may not always be popular, but they help build trust and integrity. Finally, reflect on the outcome. Did the decision lead to a good result? Would you make the same choice again? What did you learn from the situation? Ethical decisions are not always black and white. Sometimes there's no perfect answer. But taking the time to think deeply, act honestly, and respect others helps make the best possible choice. Making ethical decisions builds a strong character, earns respect from others, and creates a better world for everyone.